Certified safe, enjoy healthy cooking without worrying about hazardous chemicals. Our air fryer baskets are CA Prop 65 compliant. High caliber materials make sure to meet all your air frying needs. The baskets are made with high caliber materials to meet all of your air frying needs. Easy cleanup. The baskets feature a durable non-stick coating so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meal. Easily separate the inner and outer baskets for easy serving and cleanup. The baskets are also dishwasher safe, making cleaning even easier. Safe and convenient use. Keep safe with a cool touch handle and a safety guard over the button that separates the inner and outer baskets. Air fryer replacement basket only applies to COSORI CP158-AF, CS158 and CO158. Great customer support. Enjoy cooking with peace of mind. Lifetime customer support. Top reviews from the United States. Love this air fryer. You need to invest the time to get to know how this works. My husband was a huge advocate and I was still with the microwave. You need to Google the times for the items until you get a sense for its performance. Now, we use nothing else. The fish we made last night took 8 minutes at 400, instead of 18 minutes in oven at 450. I made some amazing homemade chicken strips. Dinner is done so fast. I do defrost and microwave or counter when I plan better. Pizza is awesome, sandwiches are wonderful. We roast veggies in it all the time. The only time we use the oven are when friends come over on the deck and we make a lot of food. COVID, not often had nice days in winter. We save time and money from not running the oven. It is effortless when you get it. Our basket broke and they refunded money, so we bought this one. This one was only $20-ish. We do not put it in the dishwasher, it gets too gross. We soak it overnight on the counter and use a sponge in the morning and it is good to go. Since the unit is self-contained, we don't clean it all the time. We do it once in a while since it closes and you don't see or smell any mess. Most things don't get it dirty. We spray oil and cook meats, which makes you want to clean it. But there are no cooking dishes, just the basket/holder.